I'm sitting here just staring at this thing. I'm still getting used to this, y'all. Well, this is Val. Well, this is how you do it. Let's start like that. And I got the light on the situation. What I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to repair one of my eyelashes. So I'm going to need my light, y'all. I'll turn it right back on, okay? Somebody said it makes me look like I'm gray, but that's because I got a lot of light on my face. And one of my eyelashes is lifting up right there. And I'm going to repair that. Don't have a lot planned for today. I probably really need to get kind of close to y'all to do this. I'm still adjusting, y'all, to my situation here. Everything is not so convenient. Probably can fix this without the mirror. Let's see. Bring y'all closer. See that? Putting it right up under there because that's been lifted. Put my tube down. That's a bookmark, y'all. That I use to put the glue on with. Just to repair. Yeah. And you hold it down for a few seconds. And then your eyelash is fixed. How to repair an eyelash, honey, without taking it off. And it's fixed. And that little spot you see right there is black glue. Now what I have now is the clear, or it looks like it's white, duo glue. And when it dry, it will dry clear. So my eyelash is repaired. That one is fine. And now I need to put the top back on there so it won't dry out. And I'm going to get off this thing. You say, Val, that's all you going to do? Say, what all I need to do? What all do your girl need to do? Now that is vain as you want to be, huh? Say, girl, I look good just like this. I am sweating up a storm. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Looking at her situation right here. And we'll be talking to all of you beautiful people, on the next video, how to repair an eyelash. And I don't think it's repaired yet. It didn't stay, I don't believe. No, it didn't. Guess I moved too quick. Counting in my head now, y'all. I do make a mess. All the black stuff. Okay, let me see about the liquid eyeliner this time. I'm thinking about leaving it like this because, you know, when you have on your goggles and the wind is blowing, that's why that eyelash was lifted up. I'm thinking about underneath the eye, I don't want any smearage of the eyeliner, so I'm not going to put any underneath there. And then sometimes, girl, you look a little younger when you don't put as much makeup on. But I understand the older you get, you just try to put the whole table of makeup all over your face trying to make yourself look good. But we don't need to do that. I'm going to take this brush. It's already has some foundation on it. And just go up under my eye like that with it. See that? Just to lighten up that situation right there. Just from the nose back up this way. Lighten that up. From nose back up this way. Lighten that up. Put a little bit right there if you want to. I'm gonna get off this thing. I'm not doing anything. I'm really just trying to spend some time with y'all, but your girl ain't doing nothing, and she don't need to waste film time with y'all. And then next time you come on and say, I thought Val was gonna talk to me, I thought Val was gonna be with me, and you know what she did? Nothing. Nothing. She repaired her eyelashes. And this is Val. This is how you do it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye now.